Hello and welcome back to Sculpting with Freshly Drowsy. And as the name suggests, I'm feeling a bit sleepy, so my voice has been born anew once again. I take the cylinder and Boolean subtract a smaller cylinder from it to create a cup-like shape. I turn on radial symmetry and began cutting holes in the side of the cup using the trim tool. I use the drag tool to manipulate the organic pillars. Using the crease tool, I began to create horizontal lines to give some random depth to my pillars and floor. I'm also switching to the subversion to sharpen the edges of the rock. Using the layer tool is a great way to easily add some more depth to your rocky terrain. I start using the trim tool again and cutting a bunch of smaller holes this time. It's good to remember to have variation in size. Don't just make the same size hole all over the place. Starting to work on this ground and just messing around until I get somewhere I feel satisfied. I like this shape, so I'll start working on it in closer detail. I'm using the layer tool again. Just clean it up afterwards with a bit of dragging to get more organic shape, creasing to solidify the stone, and then smoothing to make it a little less rigid and soften it up. And now I disable the rotational symmetry. I turn on dynamic topology and use the drag tool to pull pillars together and smooth it out and repeat it until they're fully fused together. For some of the other pillars, I cut them out. I want to create a decent sense of variation when it spins, so I'll have a large walled section, a big window section, and a section with more pillars. I get tired of doing it manually and bust down some alpha textures. It takes me a sec to figure out one that would work all right for this, but once I do, I stamp a section, smooth it out, and then manually refine the details, mostly using the crease and smooth tool. When I'm adding details to the floor and all the other small changes near the end, I'm just checking some nice camera angles and then adjusting the terrain until it's aesthetically pleasing enough to my own eyeballs. And then we apply some textures, rendering effects, and post-processing, and it's all done. An asymmetrical, cylindrical, abstract, rocky terrain for whatever you may need it for. Thank you for watching.